You got it out?
Yeah.
You got a new one in?
Yeah. Shut up, man. Recording.
Make sure you follow the Rich Media on Instagram, SoundCloud, and Twitter.
What up, guys? This is day 2. Day 1 was on pause because we took out everything, then seen the top training mount and it was split. This is my last option and last possibility. Kind of doubtful, but I already have the 2 lower training mounts, which I'm about to switch out right now. Then I'm getting the top one tomorrow because they need to order it from the dealer. I'm gonna do that and then test drive the car, see how it feels. If nothing changes, and it's my fucking transmission, then I'm ripping it out because I've literally done everything but the training mounts really, so, and I have them, so I'm just gonna do it, try it out. Simple fixes, a little quick. It's a possibility, so I just want to, test it out and see what comes from it. So let's get to taking out the 2 lower ones. It's 1 and 2 bolt and 1 and 2 bolt. 2 and 1 right there. Yes. Okay. 2 on each lower end and 2 on the top bracket right here, then 1 right here. After I loosen it up, I may apply pressure on the transmission. We'll see how it goes. It shouldn't be too hard to take out and replace. Got the OEM ones, straight OEM. They weren't too expensive, but still a little pricey. Like the top one, I spent 80 bucks or $88, I believe. And these 2 together, I don't know, they were like 40. One was like 40, and the other one was like 70 or 80 or some shit like that. So yeah, OEM, guys, expensive as fuck. Yep. Are you following me? Cringing. Alright guys, so the 2 lower ones are like on each of these training mounts are 14 mils. The 2 top ones on this mount is 17 mils, and the opposite one, this one, the top bolt, is a 14 mil as well. So 2 17 millimeter bolts and 5 14. Let's see the best way of taking out which way first and go from there. Alright guys, so what I did, I got a breaker bar, 17 mil adapter, get that leverage, go from here. Same thing with this one, I believe. Yeah, should be good. And probably same shit for that one. So easiest leverage I found is probably you could use a gun or a breaker bar and it should work fine. Same thing with the 14 mil one. You just literally go underneath the control arm and use a breaker bar. It's that easy. I'm about to go get the red stand over there. Just because you're taking off the mounts, so I think you need some support. Right now I'm just putting that little extra support. Like shebang. I'm gonna try to find the torque specs again because I want to torque it down to spec as well. It's usually what you want to do, but sometimes, I just go a couple oomph in there and send it. It's my car, guys, it's my car. Alright, first 14. Keep things quite organized when you taking out your tranny or doing a clutch job or something big, so you don't fucking mix things up and bolts and nuts and screws. Your whole life will be a mess. That's why my last clutch job went so smoothly, because we did that. Alright, so speed things up. Got a gun, and I got the 2 top ones out from the left one. And yeah, it's all about just the lower ones now. Let's get it cracking, racking. The bottom 4 bolts, which are 14 millimeters. Trying to find it. Found it.
In his pocket, as always.
I always have every fucking thing on my pocket. Oh my god, it's tight now. Whoopsie, guys. Make sure you guys go the right way. So, when you're facing your passenger side, you turn to your left. Or no, you turn right. You turn right, alright? Push forward with your left arm. Forward, forward, forward. Work out at home, guys. Doing your car work.
In a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Forward, forward. You have to get it in first. Oh, it's working. These are actually nuts, not bolts at the bottom. FYI. One way or another, gonna find you. I'm gonna get you one way or another. Gonna get you one way. So you know it still moves a ton. It probably moves a little bit more. You guys see me put it in, so one way or another, just gotta fucking go in. And the last 2 bottom 14 nuts. Got this one out. Oh, wait, something else is attached. After a lot of struggling, I realized there was actually a 4th bolt in the tranny mount up back here, and I feel really retarded for that. But hey, we got it out. We got this one in, and trying to tighten it down. These bolts are seeming a little iffy, but maybe not. We'll see. Shit, it's going now. All right, guys. So. We got it in finally. I recommend, so you don't like get all up like I did, doing the 2 bottom ones first, because it just makes it easier to secure it, because this at the top is just like flexible anyway. I did it the wrong way. I did the top first and made it too much pressure for the bottom, so it just didn't want to seat it right. So finally getting it in, and yeah, sorry for the loud noise, but you know, it's a shop, so it is what it is. But yeah, we got it in. It's not that hard, guys. If you would like a lift, it makes it a lot easier. You could do it on the floor, be able to put some pressure up on the transmission as well. It's pretty simple, guys. 4 bolts on each transmission mount. I don't know why I thought this one was only 3. Tomorrow I'm gonna be doing the top training mount, because I gotta go pick it up. They didn't have it in stores just yet. Then I'm gonna put everything back together that I took out. The other time, you know, I was gonna start taking out my training apart. I'm gonna go for a test drive after I put everything back together and see how the car feels. I'm really hopeful, but I'm really like kind of doubting. It's not fucking hard. It doesn't take long. Barely you have to take anything apart. So
You got it out?
yeah.